Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal dictation at the speed of 80 WPM. Ready and start. The bench thus granted bail to one Sanish Soman in a case registered for the offences under section 20 within bracket B, comma 22 within bracket C, comma 23 within bracket C, comma 27A and 29 of the NDPS Act stop as per the FIR, comma the accused had gone at a DTDC courier office in Kerala to collect a parcel containing 100 LSD paper bullets, comma, collectively weighing approximately 3.5 grams. Stop. Someone was apprehended and the contraband was sealed and seized in accordance with law. Stop. Granting him bail, the court noted that the allegations against Soman were distinguishable from those leveled against other co-accused persons. Stop. It said that the recovery of contraband was linked to the parcel Soman came to collect and that nothing was recovered from him at the time of arrest, comma, nor the NCB conducted a search of his residence or unearthed any other material which would suggest involvement in the alleged drug trafficking network. Stop stanza. The court also observed that there was no independent or contemporaneous evidence such as CDRs, comma, text messages, comma, financial transactions, or any other corroborative material, comma, linking someone to the trafficking operation or demonstrating his prior knowledge of the contents of the parcel in question. Stop. There are no incriminating call records, comma, financial transactions or digital communications linking him to the co-accused or trafficking network. Stop. In the absence of such corroboration and given the settled position that confessions under section 67 are insufficient without supporting evidence, comma, this court is of the view that the benefit of doubt ought to ensure to the applicant at this stage. The court said. Stop. Accordingly, comma, for the limited purpose of bail, there are reasonable grounds to believe that the applicant is not guilty of the offence alleged. Stop. The first limb of section 37 within bracket 1 within bracket B of the NDPS Act is therefore satisfied. Stop. The court was dealing with a plea filed by the mother hyphen in hyphen law and father-in-law of the complainant wife seeking quashing of the charge sheet filed against them in an FIR registered by the wife in 2015 in retaliation to the divorce case filed by the husband. Stop. While the matrimonial differences led to the separation of the parties, but the custody of the child was with the husband and his parents. Stop. It was the husband's case that the wife was suffering from violent psychotic fits, which was concealed by her family from him and his family members. Stop. Apart from the FIR, the wife also filed complaints seeking maintenance, alleging dowry, harassment and domestic violence stop। सो ये हमारी 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस, लीगल, एडिटोरियल एंड जनरल। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।